getting outside for outside time. There's no thunder or lightning, so we figured it was okay to go play outside.
Whoa.
We need to work on some rain boots, don't we? How cloudy it is today. Rain clouds. Hello, I'm Bundle. And what kind of scientific question could you come up with for rain?
How does rain come? How does rain get made?
Oh, so where does rain come from?
The moon.
The moon? Ooh, that's an interesting thought. So maybe we should ask everyone if they know where rain comes from. Like, why isn't it snowing? Why isn't it sunny? Why is it raining?
Show comes from the moon because the moon is white.
That's an interesting observation.
And then
The rain does not come from the moon, but it is a very good thought. Oh,
you're getting mud puddles everywhere on me.
so make sure you ask your parents before you go play in mud puddles, because we've been cooped up, that's why this mom's allowing it. But no thunder and no lightning, so it's safe.
Little mud.
Anna has never played in a puddle before. You can tell. Anna, do you like that?
Come